Good evening, Riding Texan here. Have you ever had one of those days you're sitting there watching your videos, catching up with everybody else's channel, and your wife says, "Hey, I want to take a ride"? Well, you drop what you're doing. You get up and you go ride. This audio track is the one that I created about 3-4 years ago. I'd built a 3-string electric cigar box guitar, and I played the bass and rhythm and everything on this little clip. It's called 3-stringing it. Back to the videos I was watching. I was watching Rolling On 2's channel. He met up with Kelly B. Glyden and rode on his fellowship ride. Man, I wish I could have attended that, but you know, me, I had to work. Anyway, if you haven't got to take a look at their channels, give them a look. They're worth the watch. So I finally got my settlement seat and my amplifier paid off from Harley, and I ordered a set of Harley-Davidson lower fairings. I had looked into the Advan Black lower fairings and compared them to the Harley lower fairings, and actually the Harley OEMs came in a little cheaper, and they also have a vent that you could open for cooling. If the install on that is something you would like to see, leave a comment below. We took a little ride over to Walnut. We're gonna go into the Bosque Cantina there, and my wife had some friends call, said they wanted to meet up. I hadn't seen them in a while, and thought we'd just jump in here and say hi. Well, this is my favorite area of the cantina, the little back patio. Gary Anderson, my running buddy, we used to come back here and sit up right there and play music from about 7 to 9 on Saturday nights. It was a good time. Food in there smelled really good, but I don't know that we're gonna eat. My wife's just kind of visiting, and we kind of left our supper, had to cut our supper off and come down here, meet some of her acquaintances she had when she ran the bar over at Blackie's. They wanted to see her, and anyway, they're visiting, and Then we'll be headed back to the house. Hope it don't get too late and the deer's out. Yeah, somebody else is down there on a motor scooter. That car's missing by half the front end there. I had forgot my helmet had a sun visor. Won't forget that one again. I hope you enjoyed this evening's little ride along. Riding Texan here. Until next time, keep the shiny side up.